So guys, our door is so freaking dirty. See that? So I tried to scrape it. This is the one I just cleaned with baking soda and vinegar. So I was amazed that it really works. So I'm gonna continue. This is just a test. So I will continue doing it. So just put a little bit of little bit of baking soda and vinegar in this cloth and then wipe it. So it really does work. I'm gonna continue doing it because I tried to wipe it. It really don't get off. I tried to use the glass cleaner. Sometimes it does work, but it didn't. So what really works is the baking soda and vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna continue working on it and show you the output. Stay tuned. I don't have the picture of before and after, but I'm soaking it. You already scrub what do you call it? Already scrub it with a piece of cloth, vinegar, baking soda and vinegar. But look at this one. I haven't do that one yet. You could see how yucky it is. So while I'm waiting on this, so I'm gonna work on this, guys. This is the before picture. I don't have the before photo of the whole thing before I did this. So here you go, guys. Stay tuned in. Okay, just wait for the outcome. Okay, guys, looking good. So I'm gonna rinse, wipe it a bit. It's super shiny now. I think I need to vacuum that. Oh my, it looks new. And then there's another trick to make it like really shiny. If you use a glass cleaner and spray it a bit. So yeah, that makes it more shiny. Okay, I need two hands here, so it's hard when it's just one. I'll get back with you guys after this. Okay, hold up. So it's better than it was. It looks new, so you can now touch it.